Got to start with Pinterest because it is getting punished today, down about 21% right now. So this is a social media platform. Fourth quarter earnings missed the mark. Revenue missed the mark. The company's CEO here blaming its shortfall on larger advertisers pulling back on spending, especially in Europe. And this is the rare instance, because we're not hearing it a lot, where a CEO is calling out tariffs.
Yep.
So he said that a new furniture
tariffs affect
that. I was trying to put that
Here's
together.
what I saw at least 6 analyst downgrades here this morning. And basically they're saying, a lot of retailers are saying, I'm getting hurt on my tariffs. I need to cut costs in other areas. One of the areas I'm cutting costs is advertising.
I tried Pinterest and I went down in flames. It just did not work.
I'm with you on that. And people are hearing this, are like, are you kidding me? But I just don't. I can't find what I'm looking for. Like if I see something I like and I want to get to the source, I have a trouble doing that.
They were doing wedding planners and I was searching for divorce planners.
Okay. Well,
and
there
they just
you go.
didn't work on Pinterest.
Didn't match up.
We'll have to see. Do you have another stock, or is
Of course I do. I have many
Sure.
stocks in my pocket. All right, but let's talk about a stock that's doing well. That would be Rivian, up 26%. So this is the EV maker, offering a little bit of hope here amid all the doom and gloom in the EV market right now. Better than expected fourth quarter results. First ever annual gross profit. Key milestone for this company. Expects to deliver between 62,000 and 67,000 vehicles this year, and it's going to start selling its midsize SUV EV called R2.
Interesting. Stock's up 23% pre-market time, but it's down 30% year to date.
Yeah.
So it's but this is a good turnaround.
I have been in them. I love them. It's the only EV I've been in where I say, OMG, it's like a car.
And I like the way they look.
I don't know what they cost, but
I don't either.
They're like sliding down the road here. And there's none of this Waymo stuff. There's like people driving them.
Yeah, exactly.
But they have a gross profit up the income statement.
Okay. All right. Very good.
Okay, cool.
All right.
One more?
Yep. Let's do Roku, up 16%. This was a lights out fourth quarter earnings report from the streaming platform. It said it saw growth in video advertising. So here's a company actually seeing some growth in advertising, as well as improvements with its interface. In December, the Roku channel hit an all-time high as well. And it also launched something called Howdy. I didn't know this till I read it. $2.99 a month, a streaming service called Howdy that its CEO said is going to become a very large service for Roku down the road. Also, they asked the CEO whether or not the Warner Brothers Discovery deal with whomever it is they're really going to partner with in the end is going to affect them. And he said, no, not really. The pie is big enough for all of us, and that he believes that his service could actually benefit.
So like weekend Valentine's Day, I mean, it starts early, doesn't it? I mean,
oh yeah. Have you bought something yet?
No, we're on delay. I got it. She goes, "What are we getting?" And I said, "Tuition."
Yeah.
Yeah.